So welcome to Hermitage Bay. My name is Jaquan. Can I offer you all a few sports to get you both started?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, you're welcome. How was your travels over to us today?
It was good.
Yeah, you didn't get lost finding your way to us, yes? And how the roads treat you?
The road was a little sketchy.
Yeah, the road.
I was like, maybe we made the wrong turn.
No. Alright, so just right this way.
Yes, right on over here. We're getting you to the good spot. Welcome, welcome.
Hi.
Hope it wasn't a hassle finding us.
No, it wasn't.
Settling well.
Thank you.
LeBron. I'm Kobe fan, but that's all right. LeBron's a great player.
Jordan. I'm all three.
Jordan is the goal. You can't complain the goal.
I got a Jordan one too.
Okay, I have a Kobe jersey. Don't have any Jordan jerseys yet. Have a seat on the Lamborghini.
Yes, what is the best for our guests? Hop right on, hop right on.
Okay. First time on the island?
Yes.
Yes.
I like how you drive. I hope the road didn't scare you when you were driving on the road. You know?
Get a little used to it.
I about to say we've been to a few Caribbean islands now.
Okay, so you understand?
Yeah.
You're like, I know I'm going to the right place. So you're in lucky number 18. This is this one right here. You come down this step and make it right. Okay.
The full bedroom.
Got the mini bar.
I'm getting it. I just wanted to get the room. Come over here. Mini bar. Fridge. All free, complimentary. And then come out here. I'll be having trouble. So down the pool. They do give you fresh fruit. We ate some already. Ready to go eat?
Yes, I'm starving.
Especially after seeing what people do. That couple did, order everything, one of everything on the menu.
I know they were pissed.
Keep looking at me that like that, y'all. I'm a baby. Dinner served. Whoever singing this song?
Cat back.
Huh?
Yeah, the cat back.
Oh shit. Is it looking at me?
I'm looking at the food.
Look at that cat, y'all. I do not like cats. I ain't even gonna look at it. Bruh, let me lay it down. What did she say that was?
It's just chocolate.
Just finished eating breakfast, walking the pathway.
Nice beach over there.
Uh-huh. Kayak.
Okay. Big job.
What? Yeah. Hey, my shades are in the bag. Let me go get
Are in the bag. She's in her bag. How I feel?
good. Hot. So beautiful.
Is it cold?
Yeah, but it feels good.
Oh,
What?
I do feel good. Dragon. Nope, the camera ain't on her. It was down because I was trying to cool my feet.
I also try to take my slack.
I'm recording something for vertical.
Give me a solo.
Will you start holding this? Nope. Walk with that.
Yeah.
Vlog. That's where the beach at out here. That's damn.
I think I got that obstacle thing.
Damn, I can eat.
I said, how will we feel it tonight? Yes, give it up one more time. Shout it out. But I can't hear a word you say.
Hello. Look ravishing.
What's up, my sister? Hey. What's up, Chris? I'm doing great. I was wondering where you guys are.
We were
Since today.
went to Shirley Heights.
Oh.
This drink fine.
Is it small? Like that?
Really good.
I didn't want it to be too sweet.
Oh, it's good. It's
So I
perfect.
got the club soda to cut down the sweetness. Because you're already sweet enough.
Two views with a view.
Beaches in Antigua.
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 You can go to a beach every single day.
Antigua. Wasn't even freaking recording.
Hello. We're at Deep Bay Beach.
Can I get some still?
Still chewing.
You know what?
He's chewing for so long.
No, what I was about to say, I realized like it's on. Once you get to a certain part, you just walk. You don't just walk. You get what I'm saying? No, it ain't get nasty. But I realized like it's swallowing. Like you don't supposed to chew. It's actually I did dip it.
Ain't you supposed to eat?
I guess so.
You ate some.
I was thinking we was having rolls.
I did too. Alright, my turn.
Enjoy.
Really? You shot.
I'll give it like an 8. that Rollins, is the Hi.
Y'all know what he doing.